Hi guys, myself Govind here. Today I am going to review Rode Go wireless external mics. I have chosen these mics because wired mics are good in while you are shooting or editing in the house. But when you go outside, so wired external mics sometimes when you are shooting you are to all hanky-panky and not able to shoot properly. So I have got a Boya mic, but even though after using it, I thought that when you want to be a good YouTube blogger, so you need to have a very good mic. So these are the Rode Go wireless microphones. Now what I am editing on this is without external mic. So I will show you the difference. I am shooting this on my iPhone, but you will see the quality of the audio here. So I will reconnect it and once again, so I will show you how it works. So this comes in a box basically. One is the receiver, another one is the mic, and two USB-C type cables to charge it independently. Other than that, it comes with TRS to TRS cable, which is only good for your DSLR camera or action camera. But while you are shooting on this iPhone, this cable doesn't work. So you need to buy one more cable, TSR to TSRR. So this is very important. So and along with this, it comes to dead caps or dead cats, whatever you call. Whenever you are blogging outside, so there is a lot of noise or something like that. But there, that cats can be used. The advantage of this is you can audio can be listened from 230 feet, nearly about 70 meters. That is what they claim it. But I have to test it. And second thing is that it has got, basically I will show you. LCD screen. So advantage of this is to know the charging. So it is very handy when you charge it, whether the charging is there or not. So many times you are not able to see it. So if charging is down, you can charge it by your power bank or anything else. This is very good features, whatever. And you can set the decibels. So it is 3 types of decibels are there. So don't set in high. You should set it on a very low mode. Just I will show you. Just I will go it from here further and further here. You may not be not listening my voice properly. So if I go there further, so inbuilt microphone does not work. So I will show you after using how do you feel a very good quality. And if I go further also, you may not be listening anything, but I want to show you that. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I don't know, but I have to test this. I am coming now. I am coming now. I am coming now. You may be hearing it. Okay. Maybe hearing it. I will show you again. Now I am doing a testing. Now I am using basically Rode wireless microphone. You may be hearing very good sound. Earlier what I was shooted was without this external mic, only that was on inbuilt sound of my mobile phone, iPhone basically. Are you listening me? Are you listening? I am just 4 feet away from this place. Now I will show you. I will go further longer. You can hear properly. Are you listening me? Are you listening me? Are you listening me? Now I am 15 feet away from this place. So from my camera to uh, where I am standing is 15 meters. I cannot go beyond this. You may be hearing very nice, very good sound. This is the advantage of basically the external microphone. It it has got 2-3 good features. Very small one to wear, and it has got a clamp also. You can fix it to your t-shirt, you can shirt, coat, jacket, backpack, anywhere this mic can be fitted, and the same way receiver can be fitted to your camera. It has a clamp. Now you can fit it on your camera or maybe your mobile phone or action camera, whatever it may be. So you can fix it there. This is the one advantage. Second advantage is that you can shoot any video, and you can be away. They are claiming, Rode is claiming 230 feet away from your camera it will works. Maybe nearly approximately 70 meters they are claiming, and I think I have seen lot of reviews also. It is working. They are telling it is very good. So that's why I bought it. But earlier I was having Boya one with wire. In-house it was very good, but when you go outside, so the lot of wires were hanging, not whether you are to you are keeping one hand on your tripod and other was on the other face, so wire was hanging. So I thought it is a to buy a best. Just today only I received from Amazon and just unboxed it, but I have not shown you all the things of unboxing. I will provide you the link basically. So what are the advantage of this? I don't feel any disadvantage about this basically. And you can set it decibels. So there are 3 modes. So high level, low level and medium level. So high level there are lot of problems are people are telling. So you have to set the decimals and you can set the frequency accordingly also. This is what about the Rode Go wireless microphone, and I will give you the link and many description also. If you so please subscribe my channel. I am every week loading one or the new gadgets, so it will help you to improve your blogging, whether you are a YouTuber or you are a singer, so you can set it properly your camera and have a microphone with you and you can sing. So lot of even moto blogging also it helps. So in-house meetings, so n number of things it helps. External mic is a must. This is what I earlier also I told you, whether it is a iPhone or whether it is a any phone. You can take 11, 12 iPhone also doesn't have a inbuilt good microphones. That is why you need a very good external mic. So one thing, and second thing you require for stability. If you are doing any action cam, there you need to use your gimbals again. So in good Androids or maybe in good iOS phones also, maybe in one option they may be giving stabilization, but not all the three cameras or whatever they are telling, it is not there. So two things you need to buy. One is the external mic, second one is the gimbal. This will help you, but not in house shooting, but whenever you shoot outside, so then you may be requiring, or any action you are shooting, maybe somebody jumping, somebody is uh, playing a volleyball or football, or in that scenario you want to shoot, or you want to shoot your son's activity, how he is playing, and all those things. These two things are very, very important. Thank you. Thanks, guys. So I think I have cleared all the points. If you want to know, I will ask me on my channel. So this is what about this Rode wireless microphone. Please subscribe my channel. So on weekly basis, I am putting 1 or 2 videos, especially on technical things. You can see my earlier videos also. Lot of videos, 7-8 videos till now I have put it. I was waiting for this, especially microphone. So it has come now. This is the first trial. I don't know how it is, but still hope it is doing 99% good job. Subscribe my channel once again, and hit the icon bell so that you will get a notification time to time, and like also, please. Thank you so much. Thank you.